गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो जैसा कि हमारा चैप्टर 2 ख़त्म हो चुका था, ठीक है, मतलब चैप्टर हम लोग पढ़ चुके। तो अब हम आते हैं इसका एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स में। तो नंबर ए है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। डैश वॉज द फर्स्ट टू एंटर इनटू द सब्सिडियरी अलायंस। तो यहाँ दो है लेकिन यहाँ वॉज कह रहा है, वेयर नहीं। तो आपको जो भी अच्छा लगे, पहला एक हम बता रहे हैं द निज़ाम ऑफ हैदराबाद या फिर द नवाब ऑफ औध, दोनों में से कोई एक डाल दीजिएगा। द डच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वॉज फॉर्म्ड इन 1602। द एंग्लो फ्रेंच वॉर wars are called as Carnatic Wars. Dupleix was the commander of French army. The Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757. अब हम आते हैं नंबर बी, गिव वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग। ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द सब्सिडियरी अलायंस, लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली। राइट टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू, दीवानी। पॉलिसी स्टार्टेड बाय डलहौजी, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स। सक्सेसर ऑफ सिराजुद्दौला, मीर जाफर। वॉर्स फॉट बिटवीन इंग्लिश एंड द मराठास, 3 वॉर्स। अब मैच द कॉलम्स में आइए। कॉलम ए में है कन्फेडरेसी, तो उसका कॉलम बी का अलायंस लाइए। दूसरा है मर्केंटाइल, तो उसका लाइए ट्रेडिंग कंपनी। दीवानी, राइट टू कलेक्ट रेवेन्यू। फैक्ट्री, ट्रेडिंग पोस्ट। नंबर 5, रंजीत सिंह, सिख रूलर। अब आइए वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। नेम द ट्रेडिंग सेटलमेंट्स ऑफ पोर्टुगीज। गोवा, डामन, ड्यू, सेल्सिट, बेसिन और सैंथोम। Number 2, who made Pondicherry as their capital? The French made Pondicherry as their capital. After whom were the factories named? Factories were named after the officials of the company. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Which battle made British as the master of India? The Battle of Buxar made British as the master of India. अब आते हैं हम लोग शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में। व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द बैटल ऑफ पलासी एंड द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर? ये नंबर ई का हम लोग आ गए। तो उसका है द बैटल ऑफ पलासी हैड मेड ब्रिटिशर्स द रूलर्स ऑफ बंगाल, और द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर मेड द ब्रिटिशर्स द रूलर्स ऑफ इंडिया। नंबर 2 में है व्हाट वर द रीजंस ऑफ कन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन द नवाब ऑफ बंगाल एंड ब्रिटिश? The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb had granted the British that they could trade duty free in Bengal. The company officers started private trade without paying duty, which was not good for the treasury of Bengal province. They also started fortifications and even minting coins. These were the reasons of conflict between the Nawab of Bengal and British. Number 3 में आइए. What do you understand by doctrine of lapse? Who introduced it? Name some states annexed under it. If a ruler died without a natural heir to the throne, his kingdom would automatically be taken over the British. This doctrine is known as doctrine of lapse. Lord Dalhousie introduced it. Satara, Nagpur and Jhansi were the states annexed under it. Now, number 4, write a note on Carnatic Wars. 3 Anglo-French wars were fought between British and French, known as Carnatic Wars. These battles were fought between 1746 and 1763 for dominance over Hyderabad, Karnataka and Mysore. The first and the third Carnatic Wars were fought because the powers had clashed in Europe. The second Carnatic War was the result of British and French involvement in the local politics of the state of Hyderabad and its province of Karnataka. The British defeated the French and ultimately French had only Pondicherry and Chandernagore under them. The British emerged victorious and now were the main European power in India. Number 5. What do you know about trade wars? All the European companies were interested in buying similar goods, cotton, silk and spices. This led to increased rivalry resulting in violent clashes which were named as trade wars. Now coming to long answer type questions. Number 1, write a note on dual government in Bengal. In Bengal, the company was virtual ruler after the Battle of Palasi and Buxar, with full control over revenue collection and military and criminal jurisdiction. The Nawab's office was reduced to a position of responsibility without any power. The Nawab, who was responsible for the welfare of people, had no control over the resources, while the company enjoyed all powers without any responsibility. This system is called as dual government in Bengal. Number 2. Besides conquest, what were the other methods applied by British to gain control over Indian territories? Explain. Subsidiary alliance, the doctrine of paramountcy, the doctrine of lapse. Now these 3 points you will get in your textbook. Page number